Hatire undu ta nganja riu ucindani munene ukwambatira mwena wa Kileleshwa thutha wa thukuru wa NIBS kuhingura mukawa wa The Emory. Kuringana na mwambĩrĩria wa thukuru wa NIBS Lizi Wanyoike, mukawa uyu wakitwo na muigana wa ciringi milioni 450 marĩ na unyitani na bengi ya Equity, kuria augite ati biashara ino ni guteithĩrĩria hari ukuria wa sekta ya ugendi.
Ithuĩ tukoretwo mukawa uyu wina maundu mega ma kirathi kia iguru, no tugukorwo tukirihia goro. Tugukorwo tukirora mundu common mwananchi, mundu wothe ungihota kuriha no ahote guka guku, no muke conferences, mishemanio, mohiki.
Oho murugamiri munene wa mukawa wa The Emory Tony Kitonga neugite ati gwako kwa mukawa uyu gicigo-ini giki ni gukwarahura matura magi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
We want to take hospitality in this country to to the next level. It can only be done with commitment and dedication. That is what we stand for. We are going to make it.
Oho ni aritie thirikari gwika mogaruruku na ihenya thiini wa sekta ya ugendi niguo yarahuke.
With the market that we're seeing around and the demand there's been a gap in this area, we are going to be taking care of the surplus that has been there.
Lizi Wanyoike ni oritie aria marathomithia kothi cigimanie na mikawa gukorwo na mikawa niguo arutwo ao magakorwo magithoma wega.
Ndaga ku diversify ati kurio na mawira mangirutwo muno na makiria ni thiini wa hospitality. Ni tuguthii na mbere na kwandika andu kuma all walks of life, kana kwandika andu kuma bururi wothe aria othe magukorwo mari qualified.
Riu biashara ino irigirirwo guteithĩrĩria hari gukuria sekta ya ugendi guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.